gathered here today in the spirit of aloha, the same spirit we know in this islands. It is the same spirit that brought you both here together. We celebrate this new and exciting moment in your life's journey.
Shalin, today's the day I get to call you my husband. I have never felt more excited, more lucky, or more proud to become your wife. I cannot promise you everything will always be perfect, but I can promise to love you through the good times and the bad. You are my better half and my best friend. They say that opposites attract, and that couldn't be more true for us. But together we are a complete balance. There is no other person I want to go on life's biggest adventures with. I choose you forever and always. I cannot wait to marry you. I love you, Allison.
Funny how the distance makes it feel like you're right here. I never thought I'd be the one to say that I can feel your presence with me though you're not around.
Dear Allie, you have amazed me from the time we met. You make me laugh and smile at all of your silliness. You're beautiful, smart, and dedicated. We have had so many adventures together, all of which have brought us together. But I am most grateful that you have taught me to love. Love someone with all my heart. I'm excited to have you as my wife and spend the rest of my life with you.
You are not alone in this world. You are not alone. You are not alone in this world. You are not alone.
Hi, Alice.
Hi, Allison.
Take you, Shalin,
Take you, Shalin,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I vow to love you,
I vow to love you,
honor and cherish,
to honor and cherish you,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poor,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
You are not alone in this world. You are not.
Allison,
Allison,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
I commit myself to you
I commit myself to you
to be your husband.
to be your husband.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
we shall never walk alone.
we shall never walk alone.
I am so honored
I'm so honored
to have you as my wife.
to have you as my wife.
Alone.
Thank you guys for joining us. I know 2020 has been tough, but we figured we'd do this spontaneous event
Thank you for being supportive of us doing it this way,
and being supportive of us doing it this way. Yeah, absolutely.
Cheers!
Now by the power granted unto me and by the laws of the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you are husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
These are the best of all our days. together.